Odilon, a man who has made hundreds of hats during his career as a milliner and wishes to see them become more mainstream. On the days he isn't stretching felt over hat-shaped forms, he's thinking up new designs and sketching ideas. The 40-year-old is a huge fan of the top hat and explained why he's so enthusiastic about them. As he adds, "Who is the greatest American? Abraham Lincoln for sure, because of his top hat." Then he followed up with, "Hats have always been used to enhance the greatness of the wearer. The taller the hat, the greater the wearer." Odilon Ozer's creation can be spotted from 100 yards away. Standing 4.8 meters, 15 feet 9 in tall, his light gray top hat in Tampa, Florida, USA, now officially holds the record as the tallest hat, and it's very impressive. It's a passion he's had since childhood, when his grandmother first introduced him to the art of hat making. Interestingly enough, while Odilon's grandmother first helped him learn his record-breaking trade, it was his grandfather who indirectly inspired him to go after his record title. Odilon's hat now resides in Ella's Folk Art Cafe in Tampa, known locally as a haven for eccentric artists. He is pleased with the feedback of his accomplishment and is happy that his talent can be appreciated by so many. As he lately and again, he holds another Guinness record for world's longest nail extensions with a measure of 4 feet long and feature 30 layers of acrylic.